Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to add projects in LinkedIn. So projects are things that you've worked on, and you can add them to your profile to give yourself credibility, which is really good, especially if you're looking for a job. So from the home page, you're going to click on the me icon and click on your view profile. Then from there, we're going to click on the add profile section. From there, you should see a little tab that says add projects, and this is where you can add different projects in to showcase your skills. So if you're a website designer, you can add in website design, or if you're a writer, write in the name of an article you wrote, give it a description, obviously spend a bit of time here to tell people what you did, and you can also add in the skills you used. Again, this is a chance to show off what you can do. So project management, website design, freelance writing, whatever skills you use. So when you start typing, different skills will pop up and you can add them in. So for this, it would be web development. You can add other things in. You can add media, so add a picture of that project, and you can say whether you're currently still working on the project, or you can give it like a start date and an end date. You can also add contributors if you worked on this project with other people, and when you're happy, just click on save, and that project will be saved to your profile. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.